If you want a studio or cabin, Drop Structures in Canada is your solution. They build with a steel frame, a roof with wood siding, and birch plywood inside. Arlo is 260 square feet, Duo 340 with a divider, Mono and Hollow are glass, and it starts around $80,000. Now, let's imagine a tiny home that can travel with you. This 6-meter Nano fits European road limits, weighs about 3.3 tons, and sits on a trailer with natural insulation and red cedar outside. It cost about $85,000. This one is a 3-by-6-meter tiny house, giving you 28 square meters across 2 floors. Downstairs, the living room and kitchen share one open space, so it feels less cramped. The bathroom is tucked in a corner and might fit a washer. Upstairs, the bedroom stays private. It's for one person or a couple who wants simpler living, and it can be a home, guest space, weekend getaway, or rental. Houseboat Harmonia 310 starts around 78,000 euros and feels like a cozy mini home on the water. It's 9 meters long, 3 wide, with a shallow 0.5 meter draft and about 17 square meters inside, including a lounge with kitchenette, a bedroom, and a bathroom. Next, we are going to talk about a modular cabin that keeps you close to nature. Its geodesic shell can hold about 12 meters of snow, winds near 140 kilometers per hour, and small earthquakes. Steel legs let it sit on rocks, in trees, or over water. Let's go to Estonia and check this prefab home called the Coda Loft. It covers about 26 square meters, built with a timber frame and insulated panels, and finished with wood or metal outside. It uses near passive house insulation and ventilation and can add solar or go off-grid. Golden House is heavy, about 26 square meters, 7 meters long, 3 meters wide, and around 15 tons. Outside, it's covered in golden mirrored glass, so it reflects everything around it while you can still see out. The look changes with the light and seasons, giving you privacy too. Kohler Liebherr isn't just making tiny homes. They're building compact pods shaped like houses. It's timber framed with 10 centimeters mineral wool to keep things warm. Outside, you get wood cladding and a metal roof. Inside, there are OSB or wood panels, vinyl floors, a sofa bed or loft, desk, storage, and electrics. House's tiny house is a modular home. It covers 26 square meters on the ground, with 19 square meters you can use. It's built on 45 by 95 millimeter studs with anti-rodent barriers. You get laminate floors, insulated walls, and siding outside. Inside, faux log panels and a lined ceiling keep it clean and classic. Think of it as a movable, modular home that's quick to place. It arrives in one piece, about 35 to 85 square meters, made from composite panels and an aluminum frame. You can choose the outside finish, and the windows add daylight while helping insulation. Inside, the layout can change to fit a hidden kitchen, luxury bath, meeting area, or lounge. It starts around $150,000.